Hey, boys and girls, welcome to the Do Now. What is the answer to this one? Go. All right, let's see what we got. So, we have a rectangular prism with length of 12, width of 9, and height of 4. See how I drew the picture? So, volume is length times width times height. This is the area of the base times the height. So, it's 12 times 9 times 4. 12 times 9 times 4, which is 432 cubic inches. There you go. All right, let's try the next one. Here you go. Boop. Find that volume to the nearest 10. Go. All right. Let's see. Volume equals pi r squared h. This is the area of the base times the height. It's pi r squared because it's a circle. The radius is 10 because it says the diameter is 20. Radius is half that. Yeah. So it's 10 squared times the height. Height is 6. There you go. Times 6. So we put in our calculator. Pi times 10 squared times 6 is 1,884.95, which rounds, this rounds up to 1,805. There you go. Good work, everybody. All right, last one, number 3. The volume of a cube with 5-meter edge. What is that going to be? Ooh, let's see. Okay. So you have a cube, I have a square, connect the sides. So 5, 5, 5, length, width, height. So volume of a rectangular prism is length times width times height, or volume of a cube is side to the third power. 5 times 5 times 5 is 125 meters cubed. 125 meters cubed. There you go. Nice job.